Hi, my name is Dr. Catherine Nisko, and I teach people the power of confidence through education and connection.
I think it was just really good because Dr. Cat gets you to come out of your comfort zone, so she really has that way of getting you to open up.
Dr. Cat created a really safe environment where we could all share, and I didn't realise how many people had the same issues as me.
She's very approachable and very down to earth, and she puts things in terms that you can really understand as a layman's person.
And you kind of just feel better about yourself after it, and it just really helps with your confidence.
I love what I do because I know when people walk through the doors to my workshop, they're so nervous, but I can see in them that they want to change. And my workshops do just that. It provides a safe space to learn and connect with others so you can change into the person that you want to be. I really hope to see you at my next event.